Okay guys, welcome to my new video how to make free PayPal cash daily using free method. This method is so easy to use, my friend, and everyone can earn free PayPal cash daily. All you have to do is take action, don't delay, and start earning free PayPal cash even today. Okay, so before we start, I just want to show you my proof. So let's go to my PayPal account and I will show you my earning last 22 days from this system. And I think you can earn this money too, okay? Over $5,700 in the last 22 days, and you can do it too. This is a absolutely free system, free method, and you can earn this money too, okay? So let's start. First, let's go to page 3, this website, okay, and make your free account. It's free account, and everyone can join this website for free. After you make your a free account, please remember your username because you will use it to promote your affiliate link. And don't worry, I will show you step by step how to do this. Okay, so when you have your a free account, you can see here in the bottom marketplace. Go to marketplace. And you will get this page. Okay, you can see here unlimited product that you can use to promote and earn 100% commission from every sale. Okay, so there is unlimited product, like I said, and you can click these links to see every product. Let's visit this product. Okay, you can see this product, a fantastic product, and of course you can promote this product and get a commission. Don't worry, I will show you how to get free traffic and get commission daily. Let's visit this product. Sorry for my slowly internet. Okay, this is also a good product, like you see. Okay, let's visit one more product.
WTV is on your side tonight.
Okay, fantastic. This is also a good product. Okay, so you get the point. There is unlimited product here that you can promote and earn commission daily. Okay, so how this work? You can see every product have your create link. Okay, you can see create link. So let's click create link. And like I said, you have to remember your username. So you have to put here your username. Okay, this is my username and click submit. Okay, so I get here my affiliate link like you see. I will take it, copy and close this window. Okay, now I will show you the top free traffic that you can use to promote this link daily. Remember, you have to get all the time traffic to your affiliate link if you want to get a commission. And I will show you three different ways, free traffic sources that you can use right now to get unlimited traffic to your link. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so how this work? Let's go to makingmoneyacademy.net/automate website marketing. You will get this PDF. Don't worry, I will put this link below this video so you can visit and you can download this PDF if you want. Okay, there is unlimited traffic here that you can use. One of them is Hitlip, traffic ad bar, 10K hits. Okay, free adboard US. Okay, there is unlimited free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. And of course, there's a paid traffic source that you can use and get unlimited website traffic to your affiliate link and get a commission daily. Okay, so I will show you. Let's go to traffic ad bar. Let's open it in new windows, and you can see I am getting all the time traffic to my link. This is the point that I earned from this website. So how to add your website? Go here to websites and click your website. You can see my link is already here. Okay, this is my link from PageSpree, and I am getting traffic all the time to this link. This website is Traffic Exchange, and you can go to you can click here to earn points, of course, after you add your website. Okay, this is a CAPTCHA, and start earning points. Okay, you can go and click, you can go here and click another ad and earn more points. There is another ad. Okay, fantastic. So you have to make a free account with Trafic Ad Bar. Okay, you can find this website here, Trafic Ad Bar. Now I will show you how to get traffic all the time from a Trafic Ad Bar without clicking ads on this website. Okay, I will show you how exactly you can get. Let's go to home I will show you exactly how you can get unlimited hits and visitors like this to your affiliate link without clicking ads on this website. Okay, so how this works? You can see on the dashboard, this is my link, like you see, and you have to take this link and copy this link and back to this page. Okay, then you have here hit lib. Okay, hit lib, this is a traffic exchange, and all you have to do is click new windows and go to this website. Make a free account. This is a free account, and go to my website. Okay, I already have 3 websites here, so I can't add another affiliate link, but you get the point. You can add your click add your website, your link like this. Okay, you have to add your link. Of course, don't forget the HTTP. Okay, don't forget the HTTPS// then your link. Okay, very important. And then click submit. Okay, now HitLib will give you traffic to this link, traffic exchange, AutoPilot traffic. And when you get traffic to this link that you take from a traffic ad bar, you will get unlimited points on this website. Okay, and this points is a visitors to your affiliate link on traffic ad bar. Okay, I hope you get the point. If you want to get unlimited points, so you have to take your link, this link, the red link, and put on HitLib, okay, and get free traffic to this link. So you will get unlimited traffic to your page pre affiliate link on AdBar. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you get the point. I will put this free traffic below this video so you can use it. You can use the free traffic. You can use the paid traffic. Very important to get all the time traffic to your affiliate link. You can visit online and link Ninja here. You will get this page and you will find more website, more free website. If you don't want to be a member on this website, you can go here and purchase traffic, lifetime traffic. You can see lifetime membership only $19, and all you have to do is put your affiliate link that you get from PageSpree and get unlimited autopilot traffic from this website. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Please hit like. If you have any question, just comment your question below this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friend. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.